doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now.
Hey guys, so if you want to know how to achieve this Thanksgiving inspired look, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off by taking my Beauty Glazed Impressed You palette, and I'm taking that kind of yellow-orange shade right there, and I'm applying that all into my crease and also up towards my brows. I'm then taking that darker kind of rusty red shade and I'm putting that right on top of that yellow-orange shade. So this is going to be a lot of building with different eyeshadows, so we're going to use quite a bit of different eyeshadows that are all in similar shades, but it will make a difference in the final resulting color. But now I'm going in with those other two red tone shades as well, and I'm just building all of that eyeshadow together. And now you don't have to do this, but I like to do this. You can always leave it at the color it's at right now, but I just go in with my Lick & Lash Beauty Spice palette and I take the shades Girlfriend and Garnet and add that as well for that extra red. And now I'm going in with that lighter black shade and I'm applying that all to my outer corner and also blending it into my crease as well. I'm using my M433 brush to do this, and I also use my M441 brush to blend all of those red shadows together, by the way. But now it's time to cut the crease, so I'm using some Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm cutting my crease a little bit more dramatic today. You want to bring the concealer about to your outer corner and then stop there, because you still want that darker black/brown shade to be visible. And now I'm just going in and kind of slightly blending the concealer with the black/brown, and I'm also going back in with a brush. That is the Morphe M562, and I'm just making sure it's nice and blended, adding a bit more of that black shadow. And I'm also going above the cut crease to add a little bit more dimension. And now I'm going in with some Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Shadow and a packing brush. This is the shade Bronze Belle, and I'm just going over all where that concealer is, and I'm using patting motions to apply this. It's so pretty. I love Stila shadows. Once there's less product on the brush, I just kind of pat over the top of my outer corner just to kind of blend the shadow and that glitter together so it's a seamless transition. And then I'm grabbing some of that glitter onto a little liner brush and I'm just making it more precise, adding it in places where I couldn't reach with that packing brush. And I'm also blending that together a little bit better in my outer corner and also patting a little extra shadow on there and then cleaning up my eyeshadow with some more concealer. And now I'm just using literally all of those same shades on my lower lash line. So all of those red shades we used previously is what I'm using on my lower lash line. Now I'm going back in with my Lick & Lash Beauty Spice palette and I'm taking the orange shade Portland and I'm popping that right on the inner corner of my eye. I think it makes it look even more Thanksgiving themed. Like all of the colors just go beautifully together. But now I'm just taking some Wet n Wild Mega Liner and I'm applying that and creating my wing. And now I'm taking some of that lighter black eyeshadow we used before and I'm applying that right on my lower lash line. And I'm also taking some Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal eyeliner and lining my waterline. And then I'm just cleaning up that wing a bit to make it nice and sharp. I'm also curling my eyelashes and adding some mascara to prep for falsies. And now to be even more extra today, I'm adding some gems. So I got these gems off of Amazon and I'm going to be using a kind of weird technique. So I'm taking some nail scissors and I'm applying little dots of glue right under my wing. And then I'm taking those gems and I'm popping them right over the top. And as you can see, it can be kind of tricky sometimes. But there we go, gems are on. And now I'm just taking some Cocoa Lashes in the style Amore, and they were upside down, but I didn't really feel like taking them out and fixing them for that little scene. But I'm just popping those right on and then adding some more mascara to blend my natural and false lashes together. And then I'm taking some more mascara and I'm adding that to my lower lashes. And I'm also adding some Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Moonstone. I love this highlighter. I'm adding a tiny bit of that to my inner corners and my brow bone as well. And I'm taking some Bite Beauty lip liner and I'm just popping that on kind of sloppily. And then I just put on some Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nosferatu. And I added a bit of Sephora eyeshadow in the shade Unicorn Dust as a lip topper. It looks amazing. And that is the finished look, guys. So let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.